Maui. To my right on the bass, Oahu's own, this is Glenn Mayeda.
Aloha.
And in the middle.
And this gentleman right here.
This guy.
How about a hand for Mr. Kuana Torres Kahele?
Mahalo. And last but not least, another round of applause for the gentlemen and ladies of Halau Malua Ki'iwailehua. Earlier I was talking about the good old days, long time ago when we were in Waikiki, and Mele was also recalling fond times spent in Kalihi, and that was a special time as well. And you know, all those crazy nights in the bar when we was at Pohaku's, or if we was at Rainbows. If you guys remember Pohaku's, you're old. You're old. Just wanted to reiterate. But you know, no matter how bust up the crowd got or how drunk the band got, at the end of the night we made sure that when we finished our set that we gave everything to the man upstairs, and we said mahalo for a wonderful day, mahalo for life, and for continuing to give us life. So this last song we sent to all of you. Mahalo nui loa for being here today and for your support. Mahalo to the Palace and Paula Akana, and then everyone else that has helped to make today's event possible, and to your MC as well, Miss Melea Pana.
Take one Torres Kahele. Kaulike, Brother Galant. What? Hanaho, Hanaho. That's my friend, Hanaho.